Welcome to 765 O'Farrell, number 21. This is a junior one bedroom that's been updated with some nice upgrades throughout, available for lease. It's on the border of the Tenderloin. The neighborhood might not be appropriate for everybody. It's got really great plank floors throughout the two main rooms. And how the junior one bedroom works is that it's a studio that's divided into two separate portions. It's the best way to look at it. The first portion here would be theoretically your living room. You could also use it as bedroom and bedroom and then share it. There's a nice closet. And then off this first room, there's a remodeled bath. And there's some nice slab tile over the tub, pedestal sink, and a tiled floor. And then you have a door that leads to the second room, theoretically the bedroom or the second of two bedrooms, with a bay window looking out over O'Farrell Street. Note that the wall dividing the two rooms is a partial wall, it's not a full wall, and that can't be changed. Then you have a separate kitchen with a granite counter, full-size fridge, nice maple cabinets, a cute gas range with hood, and there's an eating area here in the kitchen. If you're interested in leasing, 765 O'Farrell, number 21. Visit BillHarkins.com or call 415-305-5311.